Authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas. California, at 4:19 a.m. on February 23, 2025, effective until 12 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the Federal Emergency Management Agency on emergency management in the state of California. At this time, you are highly urged to find any form of underground shelter, such as a basement, or a room on the lowest or innermost part of your home. At approximately 3:34 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected large chunks of meteorite that are believed to be 8 miles in diameter have entered Earth's atmosphere, and are currently en route to impact the following California cities: San Francisco, San Diego, Los Angeles, Fresno, Santa Barbara, Orange, Bakersfield, Santa Clara, Oakland, Sacramento, Palm Springs, Hanford, Stockton, Redding, and San Juan Capistrano. These meteorites will likely make impact within a few minutes, and will cause extremely catastrophic damage and destruction to the state of California, and emergency measures need to be taken immediately. At this time, gather all family members and pets in your home, food and essentials, as well as a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, and move to the most inner part of your home immediately. There is no time for evacuation. Repeating, there is no time for evacuation. Barricade yourself between you and outside as much as possible. Once the meteorites make impact, expect violent shaking that will last for several minutes, as well as total destruction of water and electrical grids, and destruction to life and property. This is an extremely catastrophic situation. Take emergency measures immediately. Do not disregard this emergency alert. Your life is in serious danger. Take shelter immediately. Refusal to do so will likely result in certain death. If no shelter of any kind is available, then you are advised to prepare for the end. Gather with family and possessions, and brace for certain death. Do any activity